On April 25, 1986, reactor number 4 at the Chernobyl nuclear complex in Soviet Ukraine was to be shut down for routine maintenance. That evening, engineers began an experimental test of the electrical control system. Operators, in violation of safety regulations, switched off important control systems and allowed the reactor, which had design flaws, to reach unstable low-power conditions. At 1:23 a.m. on April 26, a sudden power surge caused an explosion that ruptured the reactor vessel, blowing the top off the building. It produced a radioactive plume which rose about 1 kilometre into the air before crossing the entire northern hemisphere. Based on official reports, more than 8 million people across Ukraine, Belarus and Russia were exposed to the radiation, which contaminated about 155,000 square kilometres. Soviet authorities initially kept silent about the accident and clean-up operation. The scope of the disaster was only revealed to the rest of the world when the radioactive cloud was detected moving across northern Europe several days later. During the next 4 years, hundreds of thousands of liquidators were brought to Chernobyl to decontaminate the site.
The other 3 reactors continued to function and the complex wasn't completely shut down until December 2000, 14 years after the accident.
The human toll of the disaster is still fiercely disputed, from the UN figure of 4,000 premature deaths up to 100,000 according to Greenpeace.